So, hello everybody. That's a really silly way to start, but I'm not gonna perfectionize these things because that's not what this is about. I've been gone for a while, so guess who's back? Shady's back. Back again. Tell a friend. I see. Okay, well. Anyway, I'm going to go on with that. This is a reintroduction because I've been absent for a little while, and to tell you the truth, the reason why I was is because I realized I was out of alignment with what I was doing. I was doing these videos to, the intention started off, that's Nala, my dog. But I was doing these videos with the intention of kind of sharing my journey and what I've learned about kind of my journey of trying to manifest things and the spiritual journey part of it. But I realized I was out of alignment of that because it started to feel a bit yucky in that I was doing them a lot to try and get views. Okay, and if you haven't done YouTube, a lot of it is like you're trying to get views and you're dealing with this algorithm stuff and all this kind of weird, crazy stuff. But I realized that to stay in alignment, they just have to be for me, and whether or not it resonates with anybody that sees it, then great. Because I've started again because I realized that I have a particular purpose to do this. And everybody has a purpose. Everybody has the power and the purpose within them. But my goal is to bring the level that I've achieved as far as alignment and love and truth and understanding up to, or bring everybody's alignment as possible, as much as possible into that level of peace. Because while I was on my break from the last videos, my biggest realization has been that this question of, for me, the truth shall set you free. I never knew what that meant. And perhaps I still don't know what it means, but it occurred to me that when I was on that break, and I was on the break for a couple of reasons. One of them, I hit kind of a wall, of a self-esteem wall, where I realized I needed to just self-reflect and go deep within and have a lot of time to reflect on where I was with respect to self-esteem and self-awareness and self-love. So I really dug into the 6 pillars of self-esteem, and that's a book by, I can't remember who, that's an amazing book. And then Love Yourself Like Your Life Depends on It, and that's another amazing book. And then 10 Days to Self-Esteem. Those are all great books. I dug into those and found it's kind of weird. Like I found that through that and partial further digging, in that this truth shall set you free, is that the truth is that you are part of this universe. And Jim Carrey said something that really resonated with me, was that he used to feel like a man experiencing the universe, and then now he feels like the universe experiencing a man. And I really shifted to that. And the truth that has set me free is that I am an integral part of the universe, and I have the power of God within me, flowing through me. And if I follow that, and if I spend the whole day in the presence of God or the universe, or whatever you want to call it, this is not religion, this is just spirituality. But if I spend my whole day in the presence of God, I can do no wrong. There is nothing that's wrong. Like, you're perfect. You are perfect as you are. That is the truth. You are perfection. There is no bad. There is no evil. Everything that was created is created from love, and love is the truth. The truths that shall set you free is that everything is love. Everything. So that's my reintroduction to you guys, and I'm going to do a follow-up video to this that talks about my biggest learning from A Course in Miracles, which has also really been pivotal in my life. That book has, but the biggest takeaway from that for me is on the next video. Okay, love you guys. Thanks for the reintroduction attendance to the video, and I hope that you guys find some sort of resonation with that, and maybe a little nugget of some thought that you might take and sit with, and realize that you are love, and just embrace that every day and feel that in your heart, because that is the truth that shall set you free. Okay? Love you. Have a great day. Bye.